Welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Avoid Stress in Daily Life. To avoid stress in life, one must be aware of what stress really is. So, if we see its definition, then we came to know that stress is any challenging event that needs cognitive, behavioral, and psychological adoption. A challenge that might threaten a person. You will be amazed to know that many physical illnesses are just the result of extreme stress in life. Health psychologists are concerned about psychological factors which cause the physical illness. Now let's talk about how we can eliminate or minimize stress from our daily lives. So we will be able to enjoy our lives in more productive and healthy way. Number 1 is set a plan. Try to make sure you have a plan for your daily tasks. This will help to in minimizing the stress as compared to when you don't have plans for your whole day or weekly activities. People who have a plan for a day or a whole week are less prone to anxiety or stress as compared to those who don't have any plans to work on. So always have a to-do list. Number 2 is manage time effectively. Time management is another way to minimize your stress. When you do all of your tasks on proper time, you will have less chances to get stressed. While managing your time, make sure of prioritizing most important tasks first. If you want to learn how to manage time in effective way, you can check out my previous video on time management strategies, giving the link in description box and above in the I button too. Never postpone your work. Delaying your activities can cause a great stress for you. If you are a student or a worker, never delay your day-to-day tasks because it will create a great stress when you have to do it. Talk to someone you trust. Talk about your situation to someone close. Share your problems and feelings. This will release your stress and you will feel more better. This is the best way to minimize your stress levels. Get enough sleep. Do you know not getting enough sleep is the reason you are getting angry, stressed, and frustrated? Whenever you feel these feelings in you, notice that either you are having a good night's sleep or not. If not, leave all the work and take rest and go for sleep. You will feel more better and a good change in your behavior and mood too. Eat a healthy and balanced diet. Many studies shows that when a person is not taking healthy diet, he is more prone to stress and anxiety. Check your eating habits. So avoid caffeinated beverages and junk food. Your body need all necessary vitamins to perform well. So try to eat healthy, which is also good for your brain's health too. Practice meditation. It have been proven that meditation treats stress by 40%. Individuals who took meditations feels much relaxed and stress-free as compared to those who don't. Take a break. One of the most common reason of stress is you are doing a lot of work and without any breaks in between, or you are working more than you have capacity for. So you feel stressed and exhausted. Research shows that people who take breaks during their work are less prone to stress and anxiety as compared to those who don't take breaks. Also, they perform well and more effectively. So, don't think taking rest will waste your time. In fact, it will increase your productivity levels at work. So, this was my today's video. Hope you liked this and don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe our channel. Up till next video, take care.